Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the watch and phone ready. Charge the watch to at least 30% and power it on, then open the Fitpro app. Once the app is open, grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can discover devices. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and that other paired devices are disconnected. This prevents interference. Now, tap Add Device in the app and select the watch model shown. Proceed immediately to the next step to complete pairing. Once your watch appears in the app, select its name. The app will initiate a pairing request and may show a numeric code. You must confirm the same code on the watch screen to ensure secure connection. After pairing, allow the app to enable notifications, contact sync, and background refresh so health data and call alerts arrive reliably. Then, sync time, units, and profile settings in the app. This keeps step counts and sleep logs accurate. Make sure sync completes before moving on. Finish by installing any firmware updates pushed through the app and restart the watch. This resolves many compatibility issues. Next, test a notification, receive a call, and start a short activity to confirm data flows into the app. If anything fails, try a simple troubleshooting sequence. Toggle phone Bluetooth off and on, force close and reinstall the Fitpro app, then unpair and repair the watch. If problems persist, reboot both devices before contacting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.